So guys, let's show you VEVOR's reel. So this is VEVOR's air hose reel. Come here. Let's bring you guys a little closer here so you can see better. So this already has the hose on it. Everything's attached. So some of these, they just give you the reel without any air line or hose lines. Here is your connector line that you're going to thread on in here and then connect that to your compressor. And let's see where they have. Here we go. So this is how it works. Once you're going to have it mounted, of course, for it to be easier to pull, because right now once it come up, they give you your mounting bracket and you'll mount it. On the other side here. So if you ever want to lock it in place, you wait for the click. So if you hear click click, you wait, there's a click, and we let go right away then. And then to reel it back in, you pull back, go past all the clicks, and then let it go. And that's how it works. It's pretty simple.